Let's see if we can get Pretty Lady to come in. Pretty Lady! Pretty Lady! Come here! Come on! Pretty Lady! Come here! There you go, come here! I knew you was around here somewhere. What are you doing, girl? You ready for the storm to come? You're looking beautiful today. You look beautiful. I've been missing you. I know it. About to get some rain. Where are those babies at? You still watching them, or did you let them go? Are they driving you crazy? I believe it. I'm glad you showed up. I was getting worried about you for a minute. We got some storms rolling in. Here's your mate. You can hear the mate in the background. I don't see him, but I do hear him. What's he talking about? All right, well, I hope you have a good rest of your day. I will.